அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். How are you children? I hope you are all fine. And today we are going to see the subject English for second standard and the unit is 3. In the third unit we are going to see the lesson Know Your Feelings. Know your feelings. We have so many feelings. Okay, every day we are conveying the messages through our feelings only. When you are happy, you smile, you laugh. When you feel sad, you just keep your hand and put your head like this and you are sitting, you are sitting there. And when you feel hungry, யார் மேலாவது உனக்கு ரொம்ப கோபம் வந்தா you showed your anger to them, isn't it? Let us learn to see a short story. No, no, not now. No, no, not now. Read the spelling. N-O, no, N-O, no, N-O-T, not, N-O-W, now. No, no, not now. What does mean by no? Illai. Okay. Look at the picture. One boy is standing near the tub and one cat is also there. So there is a little bit of conversation between the boy and the cat. Look at the first line. Shall I hop on this tub? The cat is asking to that boy, shall I hop on this tub? What is mean by hop? Gudithal, thavudal. Okay. The cat is asking to that boy, shall I hop on this tub? And the boy replied to that cat, no, no, not now. No, no, not now. And again the cat is asking to that boy, shall I sit by that cup? Shall I sit by that cup? நான் இந்த கப் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு உட்காடுறேன் அப்படின்ட்டு கேட் சொல்லுது. Again the boy replied, no, no, not now. Again the boy replied, no, no, not now. Again read the sentence, children, with me. Shall I hop on this tub? No, no, not now. Shall I sit by that cup? No, no, not now. Look at the second picture, children. The boy is getting ready to sleep and the cat is asking something to that boy. What is that one? Look at the line. Shall I jump on your bed? Shall I jump on your bed? நானு உன்னோட பெட்டுக்கு ஜம்ப் பண்ணி வரட்டுமா அப்படின்னு கேட் கேக்குது. Again the boy replied, no, no, not now. No, no, not now. இல்ல இல்ல இப்போ வேண்டாம் அப்படின்ட்டு that boy replied to that cat. Read the sentence once again. Shall I jump on your bed? No, no, not now. Repeat with me once again. Shall I jump on your bed? No, no, not now. Very good, children. Look at the next picture. What cat is doing there? Cat holding a cap in its hand, isn't it? So the cat is asking to that boy, shall I get your cap? Shall I get your cap? நான் உனக்கு கேப் எடுத்துட்டு வரேன் அப்படின்ட்டு பாய் கிட்ட cat சொல்லுது. And again the boy replied to that cat the same line. No, no, not now. No, no, not now. இப்போ வேண்டாம். Look at the next picture. They are standing outside of the house, isn't it? Very good, children. They are standing outside of the house. Now the cat is asking something to that boy. What the cat asked? Shall I run to that shop? Shall I run to that shop? So they are going out. The cat is asking to that boy, shall I run to that shop? நான் கடைக்கு ஓடி போயிட்டு வாங்கிட்டு வரேன் அப்படின்னுட்டு cat சொல்லுது. Again the boy replied the same thing. No, no, not now. Boy replied the same thing. No, no, not now. இப்போ வேண்டாம், இப்போ நீ ஓட வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னுட்டு again the boy replied. Look at the next picture. See, the cat is getting ready for sleep. The cat is getting ready for sleep and asking that boy, shall I have a nap? Shall I have a nap? What is mean by nap? A short sleep during daytime. What is the meaning for nap? A short sleep during daytime. பகல் நேரத்தில் குட்டியாக ஒரு தூக்கம் தூக்கி எழுதுக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, நீங்களும் செய்கிறீங்கல்ல, பகல் நேரத்தில் சின்னதாக ஒரு தூக்கம் தூங்கி எழுந்துப்பீங்க, அதுக்கு பேர் தான் nap. A short sleep during daytime. So the cat is asking to that boy, shall I have a nap? Again the boy replied to that cat, no, no, not now. No, no, not now. வேண்டா வேண்டா, இப்போ நீ தூங்கக்கூடாது. Again the boy replied to that cat. But then, a cat is asking to that boy, but then what shall I do? சரி, நான் எது செஞ்சாலும் நீ வேணான்னு சொல்கிற, நான் இப்போ என்ன தான் செய்யட்டும், நீயே சொல்லு அப்படின்ட்டு cat சொல்லுது. Boy replied to that cat with a different sentence. Come, let's go out and play. Come, let's go out and play. வா, நம்ம வெளியில் போய் விளையாடலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு பாய் ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறாங்க இப்போதான். ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஷார்ட் ஸ்டோரி சில்ட்ரன். யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு read once again. Read the sentence. Repeat with me. Shall I get your cap? No, no, not now. Repeat again. You repeat, children. Shall I get your cap? No, no, not now. Shall I run to the shop? Repeat with me, children. Repeat with me loudly. Shall I run to the shop? No, no, not now. Once again. Shall I run to the shop? No, no, not now. Read the sentence, children. Shall I have a nap? Once again, repeat with me. Shall I have a nap? No, no, not now. But then, what shall I do? But then, what shall I do? Come, let us go out and play. Come, let us go out and play. So this is a short story, children. This is for the supplementary reader. So you have to read the sentences correctly with the correct pronunciation. Very good, children. Next, we are going to see new words from that lesson. What we learned now, no, not now. இப்போ நம்ம படித்த ஒரு பாடம் no, no, not nowல இருக்கிற நியூ வேர்ட்ஸ்லாம் தான் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். Are you ready, children? Very good. Are you happy? Are you happy? When you learn, you must enjoy your learning. That is very important, children. Okay? Learn the words now. What is the word on the screen? Hop. What is the spelling for hop? H-O-P. Hop. Again repeat with me, children. H-O-P. Hop. What is the meaning of hop? Gudital. Gudital. See, the cat is hopping there. Next one, tub. T-U-B. Tub. Tub means agandra paathiram. And this is the tub. What is the spelling for tub? Repeat with me. T-U-B. Tub. Next one, sit. S-I-T. Sit. What is the meaning of sit? Very good children. உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கிறது, உட்காருதல் அப்படின்றது தான் sit. S-I-T. Sit. See, the cat is sitting on the mat. Cup. What is the meaning for cup? Very good. Coffee குடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு பேரு தான் cup. What is the spelling for cup? C-U-P. Cup. Look at the picture. This is the picture of cup. Next one, jump. What is the next one? Jump. Say the spelling. Repeat with me. J-U-M-P. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. So the boy is jumping on the screen, isn't it? What is the spelling for jump? J-U-M-P. Jump. And your next word, bed. B-E-D. Bed. Repeat with me children once again. B-E-D. Bed. Next one, get. G-E-T. Get. Repeat with me. G-E-T. Get. Get means கொடுத்தல். Get means கொடுத்தல். The girl is giving the gift to that boy. Get. What is the spelling for get? G-E-T. Get. G-E-T. Get. What is mean by get? கொடுத்தல். What is mean by get? கொடுத்தல். The boy is receiving gift from that girl and getting the gift from that girl. The next word is cap. C-A-P. Cap. Repeat with me once again. C-A-P. Cap. And this is the cap. Next one, run. R-U-N. Run. Repeat the spelling again. R-U-N. Run. What is mean by run? ஓடுதல். Okay. Next one, shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. What is mean by shop? கடை. Okay va? Next, play. What is mean by play? Very good. Okay, you like playing very much, isn't it? So play. What is the spelling for play? P-L-A-Y. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. விளையாடுதல். See, these boys are playing with the football. Next one, nap. N-A-P. Nap. Repeat the spelling. N-A-P. Nap. What is mean by nap? A short sleep during the daytime. பகல் நேரத்தில் சிறியதாக ஒரு தூக்கம். இதுக்கு பேரு தான் nap. See, the boy is sleeping during the daytime. Children, learn the new words once again and repeat the spelling with me. H-O-P. Hop. T-U-B. Tub. S-I-T. Sit. C-U-P. Cup. J-U-M-P. Jump. B-E-D. Bed. G-E-T. Get. C-A-P. Cap. R-U-N, run. S-H-O-P, shop. P-L-A-Y, play. N-A-P, nap. Now we are going to see, let us think and do. Match the words with the actions. What you supposed to do now? Match the words with the actions. See, few words are there and few actions are there in the pictures, isn't it? Are you all watching on your screen? Very good, children. Listen carefully. Read the words. Spell it and read. Are you ready? Very good. E-A-T, eat. Where is the picture for eat? What is mean by eat? Eat na சாப்பிடுதல், உண்ணுதல். So where is the picture? Could you find out where is the picture on the screen for eat? Very good. See, the boy is eating fruits. Next, sit. S-I-T, sit. What is mean by sit? உட்காருதல். Very good, children. உட்காருதல். Which boy is sitting here? Very good. The boy is sitting here. And next one, R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Who is running? Have you found who is running in this picture? In this pictures? Very good. The girl is running. And next one, N-A-P, nap. What does mean by nap? A short sleep. Which girl is sleeping here? Have you found that girl? Very good, children. This girl is sleeping. Next one, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. Who is jumping in these pictures? Very good, children. The boy is jumping. Next one, sing. S-I-N-G, sing. Who is singing on the screen? Have you found? Very good, children. She is singing. Now we are going to see, tick the correct sentences. You think and do this one. Tick the correct sentences. See what boy is doing here. Look at these sentences. He jumps on the bed. He jumps on the tub. There are two sentences. He jumps on the bed. He jumps on the tub. Where he is jumping? He jumps on the bed only. So which is correct one? First one or second one? Very good, children. First one is correct. Next, look at the picture. What boy is doing there? He plays with food or he plays with toys? He plays with food or he plays with toys? Very good, children. He plays with toys. So which is the correct answer? Second one. He plays with toys. Next picture. What girl is doing here? And your two sentences are, she runs to the shop. She runs to the park. She runs to the shop or she runs to the park. Girl என்ன வச்சிருக்காங்க கையில? பாஸ்கெட், அந்த ட்ராலி வச்சிருக்காங்க. கடையிலலாம் வந்து பொருட்களை வாங்கி போகிறதுக்காக ஒரு ட்ராலி வச்சிருப்பாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த ட்ராலி தான் அந்த கேர்ள் வச்சிருக்காங்க. She is going now. She runs to the shop. So the first one is correct. And the next one, he gets the box. He gets the pen. Your two sentences on the screen and your picture also there. He gets the box. He gets the pen. What the boy is getting, whether the box or pen? Say, children, say louder, I can't hear you. Very good children. He gets the box. So the first one is correct. And next we are going to see circle time. Let us talk. Pictures of emotions. So this is the interesting topic. Pictures of emotions. Already I told you, no, we are showing so many emotions day by day. Happy, sad, anger, unsurprised, shocked. Okay. See, what is the name of this emotion? Happy or sad? Very good children. Happy. What is the spelling for happy? H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. And look at the next picture. How does the face look like here? Anger or sad or happy? Very good. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. What is mean by happy? It is a feeling of joy. நீங்க எப்பெல்லாம் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கிறீங்களோ நீங்க ஹாப்பியா இருக்கிறீங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். நீங்க சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருப்பீங்க. That is one happy. And what about this angry? கோபம். கோபம் வரும்போது you show the feeling angry. How does your face look like that time? Very good. You show your anger face now. Very good children. That is the feeling of angry. And next one. What about this emotion? Happy or sad? Very good children. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. What is mean by sad? சோகமா இருக்கிறது. What is mean by sad? சோகமா இருக்கிறது. ஏதாவது தவறா ஏதாவது நடந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? அழுவோம். அம்மா திட்டிட்டாங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? உடனே அழுவோம். கொஞ்ச நேரம் என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? சோகமா உட்காந்துருப்போம் அழுதுட்டே. ஸோ அப்போ உங்கள் முகம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? பிக்சரில் இருக்கிற மாதிரி sad. அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஆல்வேஸ் யூ ஷுட் பி ஹாப்பி. எப்பவுமே சிரிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். எப்பவுமே சேடாக இருக்கக்கூடாது. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். வாட் இஸ் இட்? Which emotion you are seeing here? A little bit of sweating also is there. Tired. What is that? Tired. சோர்வா இருக்கிறது. நீங்க நிறைய வேலை செஞ்சிட்டீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? சோர்வா இருப்பீங்க. That time you get sweating in your body, isn't it? So this is the feeling for tired. Shall we repeat the spellings once again? H-A-P-P-Y, happy. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. S-A-D, sad. S-A-D, sad. T-I-R-E-D, tired. T-I-R-E-D, tired. Look at the next picture. அதே மாதிரி நீங்களும் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்க வீட்டில். You do the same thing in your every day. We are doing this. What is the name of that emotion? Sleepy. தூக்கம் வரா மாதிரி இருந்தா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Yawn. Yawn செய்வோம் இல்லையா? Sleepy. So this is the emotion for sleepy. And next one. What is the name of the emotion for the next picture? Shocked or surprised? Surprised. What is the name of the next emotion? Surprised. S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprised. What is mean by surprise? ஆச்சரியப்படுறது. ஏதாவது நமக்கு அன்எக்ஸ்பெக்டடாக ஒரு நல்லது நடந்திருக்கும். ஆனால் நம்ம அதை எதிர்பார்த்துருக்கவே மாட்டோம். ஏதாவது ஒரு நல்லது நடந்திருக்கும். அப்போ நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும்? நம்மளோட முகம் சர்ப்ரைஸாக இருக்கும். Next one, shocked. Next one, shocked. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Shocked. What is meant by shocked? For example, you take. You are seeing one snake on the road. How you feel there? You will be shocked. அப்போ நீங்கள் எதை மாதிரி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க? திருந்து போயிடுவீங்க இல்லையா? அதுதான் வந்து shocked. Next one. Scared. What is mean by scared? பயப்படுறது. What is mean by scared? பயப்படுறது. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Now say how you feel. Look at the picture. I feel happy. I feel angry. Which one is correct? Very good, children. The girl is happy. So I feel happy is correct. And next one is the boy. Look at that boy. He's scared. I feel scared. I feel happy. Which one is correct? I feel scared. And next one. Look at that boy. I feel sad. I feel happy. Which one is correct? Look at the boy face, whether he is sad or happy. Very good. He is sad. So I feel sad is correct. Look at the picture. Look at the first girl and see the face. Look. I feel angry. I feel sleepy. Which one is correct? Very good. The girl face is very angry. So I feel angry is correct. And next one, draw a happy face and color it yellow. You supposed to do in your home itself, students. It will be very interesting if you do it in your home and show it to your mother and father. Draw one circle and draw two eyes and draw U-shaped mouth. When you feel happy, the mouth will be U-shaped. When you draw happy, the mouth will be U-shape. You must draw the mouth in U-shape and color it yellow. Color the paper yellow. Again, dark the eyes with black color and mouth black color. And next one, draw sad face. Draw sad face and color it blue. So what you must do now? The first step, draw one circle. Again, draw two eyes. And then next step, you must draw the mouth. But that mouth, how it will be like? Upside down, that U shape. U shape வரையறீங்களா? அது அப்படியே தலைகீழா போடணும். This one. And next one, color it blue and dark the eyes and the mouth. So this is a sad face. Draw an angry face. The same step you follow here. Draw one circle and draw two eyes. Look at the top. They draw one lines, isn't it? So this is the face of anger. Now color it as red. Dark your eyes and the mouth. So the eyebrows must be, when you get anger, the eyebrows will be closer. Your eyebrows will be closer. So you must draw like that eyebrow also. Draw a surprise face and color it green. Draw one circle and draw two eyes and draw your mouth. Color it as green.